Om Swastiastu, salam Satnam Berti Bali. Bersama saya, NiMadeSriRusmini, saya dari SMA Negeri 2 Negara, Jakarta. Oke guys, sahabat rumah belajar, selamat datang di materi kita kali ini, yaitu tentang Congratulations and Compliment. Materi ini adalah materi bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 10 umum, yaitu pada kompetensi dasar pengetahuan 3.2 dan kompetensi dasar keterampilan 4.2. Untuk lebih jelasnya, mari kita simak satu persatu. Dari expressing congratulations. Expressions of congratulations. By congratulating someone, we are telling them that we are pleased to hear about their good luck or achievements. We congratulate somebody when something good happens to him or her, like graduating from school, getting a promotion, getting engaged, having a baby, winning a competition, and etc. Here are some expressions of congratulations and their proper responses. I'd be the first to congratulate you on. I'd like to congratulate you on. Please accept my warmest congratulations. May I congratulate you on? I must congratulate you. It was great to hear about. Congratulations. Congratulations, you win. Well done. Happy New Year. Happy birthday. Happy wedding. Happy anniversary. Congratulations, you win. Excellent, you did a good job. I'd like to congratulate you on speech contest. May I congratulate you on cooking competition? There are some responses. It's very good of you to say so. How nice of you to say so. Thank you very much for saying so. I'm glad you think so. Oh, it's nothing special actually. Oh, I have a lot to learn yet. Oh, thanks. Oh, nothing to it actually. There is cultural awareness. In English-speaking countries, people are more expressive than in our culture in congratulating others. They may also respond to congratulations with rejections, but they mostly do it by expressing thanks. For example, well done. Oh, thanks. The way of Indonesians respond to congratulations is different. For example, selamat atas keberhasilan dalam kompetisi. Tidak, ini hanya kompetisi kecil. Next is expressing compliments. Compliments are used to say something good about a person or express admirations. There are some expressions of compliments. For example, that's a lovely cake. You've done a great job. You are so diligent. How smart you are. You are so beautiful. You are so cool. How brave you are. Your voice is wonderful. That's amazing food that I've ever seen. That's really delicious food that I've ever tasted. You are my best friend forever. And also there are some responses. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, really? Thanks. Expressions of compliments sometimes we use an exclamations. When you say or shout suddenly out of surprise or excitement, you express an exclamation. You can use it to express compliments by saying what or what followed by a noun phrase. For example, what a beautiful dress for singular noun. What beautiful costumes for plural nouns. There is a cultural awareness. In English-speaking countries, people tend to express compliments more than we do in Indonesia. To accept a compliment, we should say thank you. Example, you look pretty in your new dress. Thank you. Next, in Baju yang kamu kenakan itu bagus loh. Tidak, ini baju yang sudah lama. Oke, sahabat rumah belajar, itu dia penjelasan